Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bugs Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have a banknote, and this banknote is a €0 banknote. Over the past few years, the European community / the Eurozone have bought out commemorative banknotes, but they've given them a face value of €0, and this is the next one in the series. It shows some buildings from the capital cities around Europe. You've got Michelangelo's, is it there? Yes, it is. The famous Mona Lisa. You have churches, you have the Eiffel Tower from France, you have, I believe that's the Colosseum from Rome, the Brussels peeing boy. That may well be I would imagine that's Greece. I'm not sure about this church. Is it Budapest, Hungary? Although I don't think Hungary actually is in the Eurozone, is it? It could be Germany, I suppose. Cologne or somewhere like that. It could even be Hamburg. Anyway, I'm not sure about that church. On the other side, though, is what we're looking at. It says 2024 anniversary du Dragon, which is the Chinese New Year of the Dragon. It's worth €0. You have the European flag. You have Euro souvenir. I suppose that Suvu is souvenir note. It has a serial number. It has the 0 value inside a green, what would you call it? Four-cornered shape? I don't know. And then you have the dragon with a pagoda, and the dragon curled round as if it's coming in to attack the pagoda. This is a image of a Chinese dragon. A lot of Chinese dragons are drawn this way. It actually looks very, very nice, and I do like it immensely. I think it's a shame we didn't have something similar to that on our coin that came out last year for the Year of the Dragon. The one we had, the dragon was coming straight out the front of the coin. This looks a lot better, in my opinion, than the one that we saw on the Year of the Dragon coin. If this had been on that coin, the coin would have been superb. It wasn't. It's not a bad coin, don't get me wrong, but it's if this image had been on the coin, on the £5 coin, it would have been superb. I really do like this banknote, and I'm very glad I've got it, and I pulled the trigger and bought it. So, what do you think of this banknote? Do you agree with me? Do you think it's a better representation of a dragon for the Year of the Dragon? Please let me know in the comments below what you think of it. So that ends this review. Do you enjoy it or not? If you did, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. If you believe I deserve your subscription and you haven't yet done so, could you please also do that? I am trying to get my subscriber level up to a minimum of 425 subscribers by the end of 2024. I'd like 500, but I would be very happy with 425. I'm currently doing at least 5, and just recently I've been doing 6 videos a week. If you are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you get the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, and I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying till the end, and until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future. From me, thank you so much, and bye bye. Ta-ra now.